It's been a long way. We took the night bus from Hazan to Hanoi, then straight to the next bus. The thing amazed me is why for 100 kilometers we need to drive, I don't know, maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. 6 hours, but not 100, a bit more. Everyone is dreaming for the shower. Yeah.
But I'm also looking forward to this beautiful island.
So we're almost there. Let's go.
Once you got on the island, you have two choices. Either walk for half an hour or take a tuk-tuk for 5 minutes to get to the town. They will ask you a ridiculous price, so bargaining is the must, and actually can be good practice for you.
After long discussion about the hotels, what we decided?
Friend? Yora, that's a video. So we decided with our friend that we get into scooters and go to explore the area.
He was trying so hard to sell your hotel that
It's really a nice hotel, guys, so if you will have a chance, stay here.
But we want on the beach, we want the nice view. We were laughing because she has pink helmet, but in reality...
No, you have one as well.
Who is the coolest guy here?
After a long negotiation, we finally checked in. A couple of days of relax.
From 500, we went down to 300.
Yeah.
We booked 2 rooms for 2 days.
They're filming. Hi.
So don't forget to bargain the price. We're going to drop the laundry. We got it with a discount.
From 10,000 we made it 8,000.
Because of the quantity, when you give more, you pay less. That makes sense.
Go for a swim until it's dark.
Yeah, we're going to have some fruit for breakfast tomorrow.
How you found your room up there?
Nice, lovely.
You like it?
It's comfort to what we had before so far. It's nice.
Yeah, they still have really low standards here.
But I actually like this view here. And
Yeah, the view is actually dirty and the entrance. Come closer, but clean here. More clean. How many degrees?
24.
No way.
20.
No.
Your pants are touching the water. Ooh, it's cold, eh? I'm so fast.
We're going to have dinner.
I feel local.
Yeah.
We have new jackets.
I don't.
We'll get a hat for you.
She's still a European.
But I have my 2
Boring,
Vietnamese
boring.
tour guides here.
Nice hats.
Ready. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
I think we're in one of the most touristic places here.
Great dancing experience.
We have 40 meters, one karaoke, and maybe 60 meters another one.
And you can hear that there is the third one, but we need to go and explore. No, just.
We had enough of just dancing.
Dancing, singing,
Oh.
great singing performance.
How was that, huh, guys?
I was
Very well done.
I was
Very well
surprised.
No one expected that.
Impressed.
I
I
was
surprised all our public.
I was surprised. I've tried to dance a little bit on the background, but
I hope the guy will help me just at the beginning, because if it's a new song, you don't really know how to.
And he did.
Yeah, the rhythm, you know how you should. You don't know how to do that.
exactly. And
You need a guide for that.
the guys were amazed that I'm so tall that compared to them that the tallest guy was taking a couple of pictures with me. Just to show that, look, there is someone taller than me. I'm not the
They
tallest.
also filmed, they also filmed themselves.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time for Nana.
Put some safety gear.
Safety first.
Flower romantic, very romantic. And yeah, we go around the island. Oh no. Definitely need another pair of shoes. Badass motorcycle.
Badass, yeah.
We had an amazing lunch experience,
Breakfast.
breakfast experience. Actually, breakfast.
Still breakfast, yeah. But
Fish.
we had coffee,
Fish
so
for
it was like
breakfast.
prawns, yeah.
But
So
I
it's
am
pretty much
young.
self-service here. Just
You
for
have one
safety, you need to
sister?
clean it first.
With napkin.
First.
Yeah, it's like special napkins. It looks like toilet paper, but it's not. It's special napkins, local thing. I ate all the prawns. The guys didn't want to carry the risk.
My brother in his office now.
Okay, now you need to fill in. You have different words and sentences.
Is that? No more school. Finish school. You want?
I wanna watch some local news. I wanna just be aware of what's going on around.
I think that's more a bit of a gossipy.
Yeah, that's.
And
Hello.
yeah.
And nice family there.
But the hygiene is amazing also.
That's part of the experience. So don't be scary with that.
We were cruising around and some locals just called us, come this way, come this way. And there was a funky way, as you see where we're walking on. And in reality it should be amazing view.
Supposed to be nice if the locals even go in there.
Islands everywhere. It's a great idea. We have a lot of equipment. This boat is very interesting, wobbly.
It's so crazy.
Everyone
So amazing.
Yeah, it's really difficult to let.
Very difficult, but we're just moving to the boats in hope that we can cruise on the boat a little bit. And we're already cruising actually. This is the most interesting boat I've seen for now.
Yeah, it's made for 3, but 4 of us. We're quite big
Yeah,
compared to Vietnamese people.
Call that boat, huh?
It's a boat. It's a small tender.
I know. We'll see how much it's gonna cost. You're steering with this, and this is he was explaining to me that with this he's steering.
Yeah.
This is speed. This is speed. Fast, slow. It's a bit of waves, Janina.
Yeah,
What happened here?
small
Where we are, Janina?
Yeah, I don't know, somewhere in the middle of the ocean. On a fishing boat with some locals. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Heading, we don't know. One still
Another island, yeah.
We don't care actually. We just wanted the boat experience, and the boat is the real fisherman boat. Proper stuff. And yeah, we negotiated the price. It's a bit expensive, but we dropped the price half in the beginning.
Yeah, from 2 million they started with just 4 million.
We started, yeah. So this say 2 million, we said 600, and then we end up on 1 million. Yeah, but proper boat.
So it was quite an experience. It was a couple of hours.
On the way back, it was pretty rough.
Yeah.
And I saw the window was, it's all wooden, so each piece was moving there.
Yeah, but he knew what he does.
He know his
He
business.
Yeah, he brought us back safe.
Come with us.
No.
Come, Chico.
When the sand is really wet, that's alright.
That's a big fire there, huh?
Time to say goodbye to Janina.
It's been amazing 9 days. We've been crossing. Yeah. We became great friends.
Good experiences.
Yeah,
Times.
I think we've done more than we've done each other by themselves. And yeah, I think we'll see you in Switzerland, huh?
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully we'll catch up in the
Hopefully.
south, to the south somewhere as well.
She was
Nice.
advertising so much your amazing hike trails and things, so I just like,
Yeah.
okay, I need to come and try them actually.
Maybe you change your mind about Switzerland.
She was our mommy. She was cutting our fruits. She was buying.
She gave us this
She gave us
thing,
this.
that's
Yeah.
Vamos.
Good luck, huh? Yep.
Oh.
We are on our own. Continue our exploration. It was amazing.
Let's find the ferry. Let's go.
1 kilometer walk. We actually, by the way, we moved from that island to Halong Bay.
And we head into Cat Ba.
Ba.
A couple of days there.
We're taking a ferry. Should take 1 hour and 70,000 of local money. When we had seats, the time is flying.
Well, it should be at 11, but 11:30.
No rules. Need to be flexible.
Wild country here.
Flexible.
And don't
And-
forget about your seats.
And don't forget negotiate, because the guy came, coffee, 35. 35?
Too much?
Even 25 is too much.
At the seaside port, you know.
Okay, yeah, it's like in the
Residential
airport. It's like in
area.
the airport. 25, it's €1.
For coffee.
It's like in
The dirty glass.
You need to negotiate everything, yeah?
Wow, fun, cool.
Well, fun, cool, bello.
Ciao.
Ciao. No.
They're on the way to Katba.
This area is much more touristic, and you see it immediately because 90% of the people,
All
on
the
board,
passengers
they're
here.
Europeans.
So we don't feel special anymore, just because
No, we need to go to other places. But anyway, this place is full packed with the islands, and I think it's more beautiful.
We're sitting with the Max already in the bus and ready to go to the town. Should be a lovely drive.